Good luck, everybody. We're into a 2-jersey break right now in Series 24. And we're just excited to see some of the big treasure items in this break. This is the 2-jersey break, 2-box break that everybody got in on this time around. Let's jumble up the names. Let's jumble up the teams. Let's see who gets what team 7 times through. For the owners, 7 times through for the teams. All right, here's a lucky number 7. We got the teams happening. Well, I wish you the best, everyone. I wish you the best 7 times. There's 2 hits. There's 30 spots. It's risky. But I'll tell you what, there's some great hits that are coming out. All right, here's a lucky number 7. Bruins up there at the top of the list. Certainly the Bruins are one of my candidates for a favorite team. I'm still kind of picking a favorite team. I'm kind of a hockey newbie. But I like to watch it a lot before I pick a favorite team. And I was leaning toward the Capitals. But they just can't win in the playoffs. They'll have the best season. But they just can't put it away when it counts. And I don't know if I want to really get invested with a team that's just going to break my heart year after year. I already have all that with the Red Sox and Celtics and Dolphins. So I'm having trouble picking a favorite team. I like Pittsburgh a little bit. I do like them. And I like the Capitals. I'm in Virginia, so I don't really have like a home court. DC's so far away. We're in the very southern, southeastern part of Virginia. So DC is 4 hours away. It's 2 jerseys, and this is box number 1. Here we go. Let's get a big hit. Yeah, you never know with these expansions what we might see happen. Wheels, you're right. A team up in Seattle or Portland. The first hit, really nice hit. Legend of hockey. I believe this is Edmonton Oilers. I could have it wrong. Maybe it's not Oilers. But I think that it could be. It's a Hall of Famer, legend of the game, and a really awesome hit right here. So that is a big item. Fur, legend. And make sure I've got this right. It is a Oilers, I believe. I could be wrong. It is. It certainly is. It has a big Oilers logo right on the front of it. So I was thinking, oh no, what if it's the Islanders and I've said the wrong thing? But it's Oilers. Yeah, Furry, he's a legend. Probably said his name wrong. But I know we had one of his autos come out recently. And it's a coveted autograph to get, that's for sure. And so a big congratulations. Big congratulations. Way to go. That's hit number 1. Hit number 2 coming up. Brandon F. Way to go, Brandon. Nice hit. Now we have 5 of 100. The next hit coming out of the Jersey Rip is going to be, oh my, there's the auto. There's a special Fanatics authentication. Crawford coming out of the break. Crawford coming out of the box break. Congratulations on the Crawford. Really nice hit here. That is going to be, oh, this is a World Cup. This is World Cup on it. This is a World Cup jersey. Look at that, officially licensed. Crawford. And it has a World Cup patch on the shoulder. Right here. Right there on the shoulder. Adidas. It also has a WCH insignia below the collar. NHL Canada World Cup. So another great hit in the autographed jersey, number 50, Crawford. Is that Blackhawks Crawford? I believe it is Blackhawks Crawford, Corey Crawford, the goaltender. I'm just confirming that this one is going to go to Troy C. I think that's who we're looking at. Yes, that's who we're looking at. So a big congratulations, Troy C. Nice hit. That's an awesome jersey, Adidas jersey.